here I have the Teba. I'll give you guys a 360-degree view here on the top of the stove. Coming down the back. Got air holes all the way around. I absolutely love the three-sided. Huge baking oven up here. Gorgeous three-sided glass. This is the TKS-19, which is capable of burning wood and coal.